Solutions-based service means that essentially we don't have a no policy. Although we are a standard parts company, parts off the shelf, parts in the catalogue, we'll always enable the customers to what they want and make it as seamless as possible.
I went down to Kidlington, where our warehouse and everything is, and the manufacturing plant. Had a look around there on the shop floor, actually seeing how some of the components were made. That gave me the confidence, because I understood it and I'd actually seen it, rather than just looking at a picture of it, to come back up and help everybody else and advise on the floor.
For me personally, when a customer comes on the phone, they want a solution on that phone call. Sometimes it's difficult if we don't have that knowledge in place. By adopting what Ashley taught me, I was able to then have the facility to offer customers that advice on the phone, and be able to handle that call from the best of my ability, and was able to provide a solution basically to the customer for their application, knowing what we've been taught by Ashley.
So Be Remarkable is structured in a way that it gives us the skills, it gives us the confidence, and by having that tool there, that enables us to help the customers more, because you know what you're doing, you know what you're talking about, you know where to look for things. It helps you with your product knowledge more, and that gives a hassle-free customer service.
Basically, the platform identifies when a case comes in, so there's a timeline attached to that. We can then triage the query to the correct department or the correct individual. We can look at the time it takes to respond to that, so we can quite often provide proactive customer service to our customers. And we've reduced that time down. Our standard service level agreement is 4 hours to customers, which is an industry standard, but we quite often deal with them within 2 hours. So there's been a dramatic improvement in using our CRM system. Some of the benefits of being better communication within team members, that seamless transfer for the query, getting to the right place. It's a quicker response for the customer, which is what we want to provide, is that hassle-free service or a solution-based service for our customers. We're a manufacturing company, and unfortunately some things do go wrong in manufacturing, whether it be tooling, whether it be lead times on making parts. We've been able to quickly identify if there's going to be a problem, contact the customer and either ship from one of our European warehouses, changing the freight for the customer at our cost, to provide that hassle-free service and that seamless transfer to our customers.
As a customer, you want to make sure that you're receiving the best possible service that you can, and for hassle-free, we want customers to experience that. So we want customers to go away happy in the knowledge that we've done everything we can basically to provide a solution for them.
We all know time is money when it comes to anything from ordering to production. So the idea of turning any kind of issue around quickly without the customer's knowledge, they don't really need to know. That hassle, an order comes in, it goes out, no qualms, no problems.